Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find and add overlay to your videos using the CapCut stock videos. So if you guys didn't know, now you can easily find overlay that you can use for your videos in the CapCut. So what you need to do is just click on the overlay and add overlay. Okay, I'm going to find my project before. Okay, this one. Okay, overlay, add overlay, and then click on the stock videos tab at the top. So I'm going to add the subscribe button overlay here. I'm going to click on the clip, click on add. Okay, so now what I need to do is get rid of the green screen. So go to remove BG or remove background, click on chroma key and drag the color picker into the green screen and adjust the intensity and shadow. Now I'm going to make it small and put it at the bottom, and just like that the subscribe button overlay will be added to my clips. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.